I think y'all gonna love this Jeep right here, boy. I'm gonna have to put y'all up on this bitch here, boy.
Show after show, yeah, we do this every week. If you hating and you broke, boy, take a 6 feet. And that ain't heat that you be dropping, that be weekly.
What's up, guys? Welcome to True Boys RC. Today we got an epic unboxing, man, by RACHOBBY. It's a 1/6 scale, 1941 MB Scaler. This thing is super cool, man. It's a military style Jeep. Before we get in this video, you can go over to Amazon.com to pick yourself up one. The link will be in the description. Take this thing out the box. I'm loving the box, guys. Super cool. Thanks to my sponsors. I appreciate you guys. SMS Models. Check that box out. RACHOBBY. Super cool, super dope. I think they did an amazing job. This thing has its own luggage case. So you'll open it up like this here, pop the 2 tabs. Look at that, guys. Super nice. Let's get you a closer look. Yeah, comes man. With your tarp for your Jeep. Part number is X002QEH9XP. All right, so let's pull this thing out, man. You have your window up here, some spare parts back here. What comes in the box: transmitter, instruction manual. All right, so let's pull out those instructions. 1941 MB, table of contents here. Shows you everything about your transmitter. Exploded views are nice. You have it in Chinese, English. You have a 2-piece sliding transmitter. Slide your remote. Let's see how many batteries does it take. Alright guys, so you have your 4 AA batteries that goes inside here. Put the cover back on. Then you will have power. Bring your transmitter. Slide that in. There you go. You got power. Let's look over the vehicle. Show you what this guy comes with. You have an extra servo here. You have a steering servo here. Big cam motor there. Brushed. Your battery tray down here. Nice length. Sway bar. To release this body and put your battery in, you will need to release these 2 pins here. Super cool feature. All right. Then we'll also need to, there you go. So it just takes a little pull. Comes with a 35 turn brushed motor. And it has a BEC on it. So let's get a battery in here, guys. And it has a tow hook here. I'm in love with it. Has nice seats, steering wheel, your gear shifter. You guys want to get spunky, you can put your little character inside here. Got a gas tank out back, extra tire. The rubber feels pretty good. Rear view mirror. Your hood does come up. And you have your engine bay. Pretty cool, guys. Big front bumper in case you hit something. You have your axe and your shovel. Side view mirrors. Pretty cool. Man, this thing is dope, y'all. That's why it has that. It's not a second gear. It's a servo for the steering. So y'all know I need me a carrot off here. Right now, I got the light kit. This thing is awesome. Man, holding on for dear life, y'all. That thing is pretty fast, man. I swear this thing is fast. Swear wrong. Gotta tighten up this thing, though. Swear wrong. I'm going to go get my armor dude right now, though.
Daddy.
This big man ain't going with me.
You know you could draw
And I need to glue down that steering wheel so it will turn. Because once you lock it in, it'll turn with it. But
To the army jail to put it in the army jail. That could be it.
I think y'all gonna love this Jeep right here, boy. I'm gonna have to put y'all up on this bitch here, boy. This works.